As we continue our exploration, Yosemite National Park beckons with its iconic granite cliffs, standing tall against the sky like a sentinel of nature. The majesty of Yosemite Falls captivates all who visit, where water cascades down in a dazzling display, especially during the spring melt. Picture yourself standing in awe before the majestic Yosemite Falls, feeling the mist of water against your face as it cascades down the cliffside, or listening to the gentle rush of Bridal Veil Fall as it sparkles in the sunlight. Hikers will find trails that lead them through ancient sequoias and blooming wildflowers. Each step offers a new perspective on this breathtaking environment. Don't miss the chance to witness the sunset illuminate the famous El Capitan, creating a magical moment that will stay with you long after your visit. Here, the essence of wilderness intertwines with the human spirit, inspiring you to embrace the adventure that lies ahead.